Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by verifying access and permissions. Make sure your account can spawn event entities. Next, equip the Nugget Man trigger item in inventory slot 1 because the engine prioritizes that slot for scripted spawns. Once done, toggle event spawn mode and set the in-game clock to 00:30, which aligns with the engine's spawn window. You should hear a faint chime when configured correctly. This confirms the environment is ready for the next executions. You now move into the spawn zone at a steady walk. Sprinting can cancel the trigger. Activate the Nugget Man item, then perform the 3-step emote sequence exactly. Salute, spin, and laugh. Timing is critical because the server checks intervals. Watch the spawn log for code 0xNUG and look for 2 quick visual cue flashes near the horizon. If you see both, stay within the 5-meter radius for 12 seconds. That confirms the entity handshake and stabilizes Nugget Man's presence. To complete, lock Nugget Man with the interaction key and move him into your safe pocket to prevent despawn. After locking, perform a short emote to seal state and then save the session. If the spawn fails, reset the in-game clock to 00:00 and repeat the exact trigger sequence one more time. Many failures occur from timing drift. Make sure to check your inventory slot 1 and server latency, because high ping or a wrong slot are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.